Hey, guess what? Ooh, new series! Hi, it's Whossthatgirl, and usually we do things very different here, but trying something new. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am a streamer slash gamer slash pizza connoisseur. If you're here for an in-depth review for the specs, the performance, all of that good stuff, this video probably isn't the best one for that. I'm just going off feeling. So the guys at Asus have sent over the Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 just for me to have a little play around on, and dare I say, she's better than my PC. This one can handle my games and me streaming at the same time. Honestly, what's the point of building a PC these days? Oh my days. Beautiful. Look at that. I cannot. So here's a better view, and as you can see, it's quite nice. So the laptop is made from polycarbonate material, which means if you're a sweaty gamer like me, you're gonna be leaving a lot of fingerprints all over it. Clearly, you can already tell there is a ton of RGB lighting, and you're not a gamer if you don't have RGB lighting. Am I right? There's some under the trim that wraps right around the front, and there's a more subtle one under the screen that casts onto the grill area. Oh my gosh, and guess what? More RGB lighting on the keyboard, which is also mechanical, meaning a guaranteed 30% more chance of headshots. I'm not gonna lie, the screen is pretty crisp. Obviously, it's a high resolution screen. 1440p, high refresh rate, great colors. The trackpad or the touchpad, whatever you want to call it, comes with a numlock feature, which I love. The left side has the 2 USB ports and an audio jack. The back has the usual, you got one more USB port, Type-C port, HDMI port, Ethernet port, and an AC adapter. The laptop itself is hella stacked. It runs an RTX 3080 and a Ryzen 9 59100HX. So it's definitely OP, but the cooling isn't as strong. But I mean, for a laptop, it ain't bad. So now you know how sick it looks. Let me show you how sick it runs. Apex was the main game I played, and then wanted to test out Lost Ark of bloody course. Played both games on the highest resolutions. Everything was maxed out, and legit it was running just as well as my own PC. Graphics were as crisp as you could get them, and as someone who doesn't really notice these things because my PC is pretty top tier, I could definitely see the difference in the quality. Well, I hope you got something out of this. I hope that something I said helped. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video or on Twitch. Weird plug, but description below. I don't know how I'm going to be able to give this back. Also, I don't know how I'm going to end this. Maybe with this.